We need unity. We need solidarity within our communities. Our towns are failing. Our kids are losing their futures. The futures that our granddads bled for, because of the fat cats in bureaucracy that can't see past their bonuses. Services are bloated, bins going uncollected, schools half empty of hope. I'm not here to prophetise. This isn't about lining pockets, it's about paying bills, keeping families warm, getting a country that works. Not that one promises, then sells it to the highest bidder. And I don't want sympathy, I never did. I thank the charities that have caught me when I fell. The neighbours who didn't let pride starve me. The quiet neighbour who said, "Cup of tea, lad," when the world turned off. Now, I've survived, like many in our communities, through hardships. Signed up for military service, knife edges, nights without heat. And it wasn't handouts, it was us. We kept each other going. But now, it's payback time. We're one family, Brentford, Hounslow, Hillingdon, England, not linked by creed, but by postcode. So, stand with me, fix our patch first, pull together, and then the whole sodding country follows.